Good day, director and guest. I am Jiangzhe. My hometown is Dongying.
And I'm Weiting, Chen. My hometown is Hong Kong. And we will compare the population-focused models of two cities. And on the left is the model I created for Hong Kong. And the beta 0 represents the baseline population at the start of the study period, which is 2002. And beta 1 indicates how the population changed with each additional years. Beta 2 shows the impact of migration rates on population, and the MT is stand for the migration rates at MT.
On the right is models I wrote for Dongying. The factor I consider will affect Dongying's population is a natural disaster like COVID-19. And in the model for S is growth rate I got from the data. T is the year we're going to predicting. T0 is the base year, which is the initial year, and PT0 is the start year population, which allows us to choose year to start our prediction.
So the similarity we discover for those two models is both models make a prediction based on the same timeline, and both models are using linear function to predict the future population. So the difference we find is that the complexity, Hong Kong's model may be more complex due to its diverse population dynamics. Where Dongying's model is simpler, focused on linear growth influenced by economic development. And Dongying's model had a steadier PT there, which could prevent growth stagnation caused by natural disaster from affecting the focus result by choosing different studies. So the reason causing those two differences is the two cities have been affected by the pandemic to various degrees, and Hong Kong's unique political and historical background significantly impact the population trends compared to Dongying's more straightforward developmental trajectory.
And here's the real data with graph. The actual traits of Hong Kong's tend to be gentle and stabilized, and the rise of Dongying's population is more rapid, but the growth is stagnated from 2019 to 2022, which caused by the COVID-19. And here's the prediction population we got from our models. We find there's the similarities that both cities has huge economic opportunities. However, the differences is Hong Kong has more migration patterns from both other countries and mainland China. Dongying has been impacted by events like COVID-19 pandemic since the factory closure and cost on employment. So we think the prediction for Hong Kong is likely to be more precise since more variable content has more detailed data about the migration patterns. And we're going to talk about the limitations. For my model, I think the shortage is because the model is obtained based on existing data, but the model become inaccurate as time by, and new data appears. And also factors are somewhat single, and the models does not consider about the population scaling, which means the population will not like unlimited growing.
So the shortage of my model is the linear structure of my model might oversimplify the intricate intersection between social programs, political changes, and economic circles, among the other factors that influence population change. And the second point is, since my model depends on the historical data, it is impossible to focus precisely on unheard of future events, which could eventually lower the model's accuracy.
So for our conclusion, we have a short answer that Hong Kong's prediction is more precise, and critically for a long-term prediction, it's better to use a non-linear model, or model with more variables to mock the population scaling or the carrier capacity. And also we should consider as many factors as possible, and also keep updating the data and adjusting the model. Also, we should cooperating with diverse measures to make our prediction better.
Thank you for watching.